Welcome to our channel. Today we how to delete TikTok favorites, profile cleanup step by step clearly. Open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the correct account. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Look for the favorites icon, which usually looks like a bookmark, and tap it. On the favorites screen, choose the section you want to clean, such as videos, sounds, effects, or products. Tap videos if you want to remove saved videos from your favorites first. Select the first video you want to remove by tapping on it to open it. On the right side, find the share button, which looks like an arrow, and tap it. In the menu that opens, look for the option related to favorites, such as remove from favorites. Tap remove from favorites and confirm if TikTok asks you to confirm the action. Go back to the favorites list to make sure the video is no. Open the next video in your favorites list that you want to remove. Tap the share arrow again to open the actions menu. Tap remove from favorites again to unsave that item. Repeat this process until your favorite video section is cleaned. Return to the favorites main screen by tapping the back arrow. Tap sounds if you also want to remove any favorite sounds you saved. Tap a sound you want to remove and open its details page. Find the favorites or bookmark icon on the sound page and tap it to unfavorite it. Go back and continue removing any other saved sounds you no longer need. Next, tap effects to review any effects you marked as favorites. Open an effect and tap the favorites icon to remove it from your saved effects. Return to the effects list and repeat for the remaining effects you want to delete. If you see a products section, open it to manage any saved shopping favorites. Tap a saved product and look for the option to remove it from favorites. Remove each unwanted favorite product one by one until the list is clean. Double-check each favorites category to confirm only the items you still want are saved. If something does not update immediately, close the favorites page and open it again to refresh. For the best profile cleanup, repeat this routine regularly to keep your favorites organized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.